In this video, I'll show you how to update payment method on Roku. Step 1. Update on Roku device. Press Home on your Roku remote. Scroll down and select Settings. Go to Payment Options or Payment Methods. Choose to add a new payment method or update an existing one. Enter your credit card, PayPal or Apple Pay details and hit Save. Step 2. Update via the Roku website. Open a browser and go to my.roku.com. Sign into your Roku account. Click Payment Methods in your account. Click the three dot menu next to your payment method and choose Edit or select Add Payment Method. Update or add any payment details and save your changes. Step 3. Confirm and test. Make sure your payment method is set as the default for your subscriptions. Try purchasing or renewing a subscription to verify the update. Now I have some tips for you. Keep your billing addresses and security code handy when update payment info. If you face any issues, contact Roku support for assistance, and for gift card payments, add them in the same section. And that is how you update your payment method on Roku. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments.